Hi everyone. What I'm going to present is basically a content management system. Let's say I put in my password and I'm able to log into my content management system. You'll get a nice dashboard. And from the dashboard, what you can do is you can click on the MCP dashboard. Then you'll be able to see the MCP dashboard. Now, the front end and the back end has already been started. The server agents are already moving. So I've already started and it has already verified the keys. Now what happens is, let's say I go to any projects which I have, then I'll be able to see whatever projects are there in my system. At the same time, what I can do is if I go to my profile, I can change settings to my profile. I can see what project I have, what I do content I've created, and who is the active user for it. Now, what features I've added currently is basically an added collaboration templates where you can use these templates to check your workflows. Let's say I click on this and I have different workflows defined. So at the same time, when my agent is there, what I can do is I can go to the MCP creator and create my own uh, workflow. Once the workflow is run, let's say I execute this workflow, what happens is at the backend, it would create a workflow and you will be able to see that workflow which is already running and what are the steps involved in that workflow. Now, at the front end, what you can do is you can select that workflow. Once the workflow is run, you'll probably be able to see that. And at the same time, you can do a real-time collaboration of whatever is written, or you can see any templates you want to write. Now, let's say I want to write a blog on AI in schools. I need to have what kind of a content I'm creating. I can have an article, I can have a marketing copy, a blog copy, or a social media. I can describe AI usage in schools. What kind of a target audience I'm looking at? Student, professional, casual, or what kind of a writing I want, friendly, and what kind of an AI model I want to use. So I'm just selecting auto right now, and I'm starting to generate that content. Now you'll have to wait for a couple of minutes. At the same time, we can see that the workflow is completed. And this workflow has started running, which we had already used over here. Now, what would happen is at the back end, the MCP server would fetch all the details and would then start writing about whatever articles which we need to push through. At this stage, it is using local Olama. At the same time, you can then use any other platform if you look. You can look at this way where the entire article has been written for you. And if you want to edit that article also, you can do that by your own. This is one feature which I have added so that you will be able to see that articles on that. Now you have two workflows which are completed. When you click on this, when you refresh this editor page, you'll be able to look at those two workflows also. And what kind of projects we've done. At the same time, you can also look at different MCP servers which are at that, or you can customize your workflows also. This is a dashboard for MCP Creator, and you can reuse this result also. That whatever has done, what time it has taken, and what that the workflow done. Now let's look at the other way out. Was running this project without the workflow. So let's say this workflow is not there, and we have just added the same article, and we kept it friendly, and we generate the content. Now what happens is this goes through the backend, which doesn't give you the enhanced version of that, but it would give you all the articles related to that tool. Let's say this article has come now. What you can do, you can still customize it. You can use it real time, and you can then edit it and do whatever you want with. Now we add a workflow to it. Let's say we like select that workflow, which we had already done, and we regenerate that content. See, the article has changed, and you'll be able to see the articles in a chain manner and much more refined. This is the MCP server I've added. There are four servers to it, and this is the entire dashboard for it. Thank you.